Hey, Scott Holmes here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm on board the 2020 Bennington 22SSR in ocean blue with the blackout package. It's one of my favorite color schemes available. Why don't you come on board and take a better look with me. This boat has the sandstone color scheme on the seats with the carbon inlaid diamond cut pressed pillow top upholstery and a couple portable cup holders to help put your drinks conveniently wherever you want them. It has the seagrass flooring tinted to match the color of the upholstery. And this is our most popular floor plan with the stern radius seating. What that gets you is the same style seats in the front of the boat, also in the back, so they have maximum seating versatility and a very social seating arrangement. And it also gets you that captain and co-captain's chair. Lots of comfort here at the helm with a reclining captain's chair that has flip-up armrests, a tilt steering wheel so you can get the angle with the perfect for you, a nice Bluetooth stereo, and a Garmin Striker 4 graph unit. All of our Benningtons come with a 10-foot long bimini top to give you lots of coverage from the sun for all-day boating. And of course, this boat has the tri-tune package with the Yamaha 150 and a ski tow bar for lots of fun on the water. Come see us today at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Phone number is 864-236-9005. Thank you.